Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about where can we find water on Earth. So let's start. First, let's discuss how water moves all around. Well, let me tell you that Earth's water is distributed among salt water and fresh water. So there are two kinds. One kind is salty and the other one is fresh. Let's discover them together. First of all, we must know that Earth is called the water planet, and other sources we say the Earth is the blue planet, and that is because it is covered mostly by water from the oceans. Most of the Earth's water is salt water, and it's found in the oceans like we said, and only a very few amount of this water is fresh. When we say fresh water, we mean that it is not salty. And most of this fresh water is found in ice masses like icebergs that I will be showing you later in this video. And some of the water is in the air, it's in a gas state. And less than 1% of this fresh water, we use it for human use, which is a very small amount. And some of the Earth's fresh water is deep underground, and I'll be again showing you the underground water later in this video. So let's start with salt water. Salt water is found on Earth in oceans. And this is a picture that shows all of the oceans on Earth. We have the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. They all make like one single world ocean. Now, these are the icebergs I was telling you about. They are formed from frozen fresh water, and they are found in very cold places. Now, this is interesting. You only see a very small part of the icebergs that floats in the water, but the bigger piece of the iceberg is below the surface of the water. Now, fresh water is also found in waterfalls. It is also found in streams. Now, streams, they look like rivers, but they are smaller. So a stream is a small body of fresh water. Rivers, they are bigger than streams, and some streams flow into rivers. So a river is a large body of fresh water. Lake, the lake is a body of fresh water with land all around it. If you see here, all around of this body of fresh water is land. That's why we call it a lake. And keep in mind that water in the lake does not flow like it does in rivers and lakes. And of course, we must learn about the water that is underground. We call it groundwater, and it is fresh water. And most of the fresh water on Earth is found underground. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.